What is your name, sir?
Yeah, my name is Shakti.
Ma'am, your name, ma'am, please.
Priya.
Riya. Are you from, ma'am, sir?
Yeah, from South Tamil Nadu.
Okay. How was the hotel, ma'am?
Yeah, to tell about the Yangthang Heritage, it was really excellent. The room service, the food, everything is good here, and especially the people over here like treated us very good, and it was like a homestay.
Okay. How was the restaurant service and room service, sir, ma'am?
Yeah, it was good. What is it?
Yeah, it was really good, as
Yeah, it
I
was.
said.
Okay. How was our food, like breakfast, dinner?
Yeah, it was. We didn't expect we will get our South food like South traditional food like idli and dosa. We didn't expect that, but we got over here, so it was good.
How was our hotel, Yangthang Heritage?
Yeah, the hotel was really good. It was just like a homestay, so comfortable, and the ambience was really good.
And how was your Sikkim?
Yeah, every people should be visit here. Yeah, people over living here was so respectable and so honest to us. Who are coming from for the tourist. So every people was so good and every people should be visit this place.
Okay. Thank you for sharing your valuable feedback.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah,
you.
thank
you
you.
so much.
Thanks.